Anytime one of Trump's trials gets delayed, Trump benefits. That's been his strategy throughout all of his 4 criminal cases. Trump has become a master of sort of running out the clock, and that's become accentuated this year. The reason that he benefits from delays is that he's hoping to win the election in November. And if he wins the election in November, he can immediately shut down 2 of the 4 criminal cases, the 2 federal cases, because he could order the Justice Department to drop the charges, or he could even try to pardon himself from those federal charges. And then in the other 2 cases, the other 2 criminal cases, which are state cases, those would probably have to be stopped in their tracks as well, because it's highly dubious that a state could prosecute a sitting president while that president was in office. There are different reasons for delays in all 4 of the cases. In the federal case in which Trump is charged with election interference, that trial was supposed to start in March, but it's been indefinitely delayed due to an appeal that Trump has waged before the Supreme Court on whether he's immune from the charges altogether. And that case no longer can go to trial until late summer or fall at the earliest. In the separate Georgia state case on election interference, that case does not have a trial date, and for the last 2 months it's been derailed by allegations of impropriety among the prosecutors stemming from a romantic relationship between the district attorney and one of her lead prosecutors. In Florida, where Trump is facing federal criminal charges for hoarding classified documents, that case officially was supposed to go to trial in May, but that trial is certain to be pushed as well. And finally, in the Manhattan criminal case involving hush money payments to Stormy Daniels, that was the one case that everyone thought was on track, and it was supposed to start on March 25th. But just recently, we learned that that case too has been delayed. And essentially that's because of documents. That's because Trump received a big trove of documents from federal prosecutors who had looked into the same conduct years ago. Trump says that those documents are potentially relevant to his defense, and he now needs more time to review those documents. And the Manhattan district attorney has essentially accepted that and said, yeah, he is entitled to a brief delay to look through these new documents that have just been revealed. And in all 4 cases, the prosecutors would like to bring the cases to trial before the election. They understand why the stakes are so high and why the timing matters. Now, have they officially said that? No, they're not supposed to say that. But everyone understands those are the stakes. Everyone understands those are the undercurrents that are driving these decisions. You know, at this point, I don't think I want to make any predictions about when any of these trials might start or might not start.